Good morning, children. Let's continue with the chapter number 16, and the topic is what floats, sinks or mixes. Certain things float in water while other things sink. So children, here the sentence says that certain things float in water while some things they sink. If you put a stone in a bowl of water and a piece of cotton in a bowl of water, the stone will sink. So children, if we do the experiment, so if we put the stone in the bowl of water, the stone will sink. But if we put a piece of cotton in a bowl of water, what will happen? The cotton will float for some time. Floating or sinking in water depends on an object's density. So children, what is density? Density refers to how heavy an object is for its size. So what is the meaning of density? It refers to how heavy an object is according to its size. For example, a stone will be heavier than a paper ball of the same size. So we can take the example of the stone and paper. So which one is heavier? Stone will be heavier than a paper ball of the same size. This is because the stone's density is greater than that of paper. This is because the stone is heavier than the paper. The particles in a stone are packed more tightly, making it a denser material. So children, why the stone is more heavier than the paper? Because the particles present in the stone, they are packed more tightly, and that makes the material denser. The density of water is 1 kg per liter. It means that a volume of 1 liter of water weighs 1 kg. So children, here the density of water is 1 kg per liter. That means 1 liter of water weighs 1 kg. Objects which are denser than water will sink. So if the object is denser than water, so it will sink. That means the object which is heavier than water, they will sink, while those which are less dense than water will float in it, and which are lesser dense than water, they will float in it. For instance, the density of cotton and paper is less than 1 kg per liter. So children, the density of cotton and paper, it is less than 1 kg, and above we have seen that density of water is 1 kg per liter. Okay, so the cotton and paper, it is less than 1 kg. That's why they float on water. Hence, they will float in water. However, when they soak water, they will get heavier and start sinking. So children, paper and cotton, for sometimes they will float on water, but as they soak the water, they will get heavier and they will also start sinking in the water. Children, here we have seen what floats, sinks or mixes in water. Now in our next video, we will learn about water, a universal solvent. So till then, take very good care of yourself, children. Bye.